Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is day 2. It's going to be a very short update video of Project Betty. It's Christmas Eve, and yesterday I got all this dug out of here. It's clean, and while I was cleaning it, I was taking some isopropyl alcohol and dumping it in there, and then taking a scrub brush, scrubbing it out. Well, when I poured a puddle in here, I watched it disappear. And where it's disappearing is inside the trunk. So I found the problem. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick this up, but there's a few holes in here. There, one there, and on the other side. So what was happening was the rainwater was getting behind the molding, going in this channel, dripping right in the trunk. That's why everything in the trunk was getting wet. The rest of it up here and around the sides is in good shape. So what I'm going to be doing is I bought a POR 15 rust repair kit. It has a POR 15 cleaning solution to clean the metal. It has a prep solution to prep it, and then the POR 15 itself. And I'm going to take the POR 15, put it in there, and some fiberglass matting or cloth or something to cover up those holes. That's going to seal that for many years to come. And once the POR 15 is dry, I can take and get the, window caulking or RTV or something and seal that all up. But that's going to have to wait, because like I said, it's Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas, everyone. I ordered the POR 15 right from their website, and it's going to be a while before it gets here. So I hope you enjoyed this very short video of Project Betty. And day 3 is going to have to be, I don't know, maybe even a week from now. Thanks for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Bye.